respected teachers and my dear friends. This is P. Akshaya. I am pursuing 9th grade at Lokshit Tutorial. Today I want to present an interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now I will say the complete seminar regarding plant issue. Let's go to the seminar. Yes, before I am going to the seminar, I would like to ask a simple question to you. Do you know the plant is multicellular organism or unicellular organism? Yes, of course, the plant is large and multicellular organism because there is a large of body to the plant. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let's move to another topic. The topic name is cells in onion peel. We'll did an activity. Take a microscope and take an onion peel and cut it into 2 slices. Take it peel off onion and keep it under microscope. Observe with under microscope. Add tincture iodine and keep it with a cover slip. Shall I show the picture of onion cells? Yes. The onion cells presented in onion. This is the cell wall, this is the nucleus, this is the cytoplasm. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let's move to another topic. The topic name is leaf in peels cells. Do you know the cells are presented in single stroke of leaf? Yes, of course, the cells are presented in single stroke also. Now we will do an activity. Take a microscope and take an real leaf and keep it under microscope. Tear it to one side and keep it a cover with cover slip and add drop of water. Then observe what would be happen. You may have seen that leaf in peels. Shall I show the picture? Yes. This is the picture of leaf peel. Are you understand this topic? Yes. Let's move to another topic. The topic name is onion bulb and activity. So take a glass and keep on onion bulb into that and pour some water of glass and then observe after 10 days you may have observed that some roots are grown at the onion bulb. Can I show the picture? Yes. This is the picture of roots growing on onion roots. And this is the onion root tip. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let's move to another topic. Do you know there are how many types of plant tissues? Yes, there are 4 types. There are meristematic tissue, dermal tissue, ground tissue, vascular tissue. First our subtopic is meristematic tissue. Do you know what is meristematic tissue? Yes, of course, the meristematic tissue is nothing but overall growing length and growth of roots and repairing its own cell is known as the meristematic tissue. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. I'll show the pictures of meristematic tissue. This is the picture of meristematic tissue. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let's move to another topic. The topic name is dermal tissue. Do you know what is dermal tissue? Yes, of course, the dermal tissue is nothing but outermost layer of cell and protection giving to cell. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let's move to another topic. The topic name is ground tissue. Shall I show the picture of dermal tissue and ground tissue? Yes. This is the picture of dermal tissue. Adjacent cells, cytoplasm, God cells. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let's move to another topic. I'll show the pictures, examples of vascular tissue. This is the picture of vascular tissue. Parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. And this was give protection to the cell and from food give supply to cell. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let's move to another topic. The topic name is ground tissue. Do you know what is ground tissue? Yes, of course. The ground tissue is nothing but bulk of tree to plant body and helping to other packages of parenchyma and collenchyma. Are you understand these topics? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Are you understand my seminar? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Thanks for spending your valuable time for watching my video.